Imagine making a lot of money online without ever showing your face. Creators are building successful channels and earning impressive incomes through faceless videos. They share stories, teach skills, or explore interesting topics. This opens up a world of opportunity for those who prefer privacy or simply want the content to be the star of the show. So what exactly are these faceless videos? They are videos where the creator's face is not shown on screen. Instead, they use other visuals to tell their story. This could be stock footage, animation, screen recordings, or text overlays. The focus is entirely on the information or entertainment being provided. You can create faceless videos about history, science, finance, meditation, or even scary stories. Viewers love them because they get straight to the point, delivering value without distraction. Some faceless YouTube channels are earning tens of thousands of dollars every single month. Think about channels that explain complex topics simply, or channels that compile interesting facts. This income often comes from advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling their own digital products. The earning potential is huge if you create quality content that people want to watch. Many people want to share their knowledge or creativity without putting their personal life on display. Faceless videos offer that perfect solution. You don't need a fancy camera or a perfect studio setup. You too can join this exciting world and start building your own faceless video empire. Now, you might be thinking that creating professional-looking videos requires expensive software. Let me introduce you to Canva. You might know Canva for creating social media graphics or presentations. But did you know it's also a surprisingly powerful video editor? And the best part? You can get started for free. Canva truly democratizes video creation. The free aspect is a game changer. Many aspiring creators are held back by the perceived cost of software. Canva removes that barrier completely. Its free version is packed with features that are more than enough to create high-quality, engaging, faceless videos. One of Canva's biggest strengths is its user-friendliness. It's designed to be intuitive, even for absolute beginners. If you can drag and drop, you can make a video in Canva. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. Canva makes it feel easy and fun. We are going to explore how you can use Canva to create videos that look professional and keep viewers hooked. Every great video, especially a faceless one, begins with a strong script. The script is the backbone of your content. It's the blueprint that guides your visuals, your voiceover, and the overall message you want to convey. Without a well-written script, your video can feel disorganized and lose the viewer's attention quickly. But what if you're not a natural writer, or you're short on time? This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, can be a fantastic assistant. I want to introduce you to ChatGPT. It's a powerful AI language model that can help you generate ideas, outline your content, and even write entire scripts. To get the best results from ChatGPT, you need to give it clear instructions, also known as prompts. Be specific. For example, you could say, write a 500-word engaging video script about the mysteries of the deep sea, aimed at a general audience. The more detail you provide about the topic, tone, length, and target audience, the better the script ChatGPT will generate. Finally, pay close attention to punctuation in your script, especially if you're using an AI voiceover tool later. Always review and refine the script for clarity and flow. A compelling voiceover is absolutely crucial for faceless videos. Since viewers can't see your face or body language, the voice carries all the emotional weight. It needs to be engaging, clear, and expressive to keep your audience captivated. To achieve a truly emotional and impactful voiceover, it's vital to separate the script meant for narration from any scene descriptions or visual cues. The person or AI doing the voiceover should only receive the words that are meant to be spoken aloud. This clarity allows them to focus purely on delivering the lines with the right tone and feeling. Providing them with a clean script, containing only the dialogue, helps them concentrate on their performance. This separation of concerns leads to a much more professional and polished final product. Whether you're hiring a voice actor or using an AI tool, a clean script is key. Section 5. Hear me out. Top voiceover tools and Canva integration. Once you have your perfectly polished script ready for narration, you need a voice to bring it to life. In the past, this meant hiring a professional voice actor, which could be costly and time-consuming. Thankfully, AI voiceover technology has advanced dramatically. Today, AI voices can sound incredibly realistic, offering a wide range of tones, accents, and languages. There are several excellent AI voiceover tools available, but two popular choices are 11 Labs and Play.ht. 11 Labs is renowned for its highly realistic and emotionally expressive voices. Play.ht is another strong contender in the AI voiceover space. After generating your voiceover audio file using a tool like 11 Labs or Play.ht, you need to incorporate it into your video project in Canva. Canva allows you to trim the audio, adjust its volume, and synchronize it perfectly with your visual elements, ensuring a seamless viewing experience. Section 6. Building your masterpiece. Structuring videos in Canva. With your script written and your voiceover recorded, it's time to start assembling your video in Canva. A typical video structure includes an engaging introduction to hook the viewer, the main content body where you deliver your information or story, and a clear conclusion or call to action. Planning this structure beforehand will make the editing process much smoother and ensure your video flows logically from one point to the next. A fantastic pro tip for working efficiently in Canva, especially on larger video projects, is to create a resource page. This is essentially an extra page within your Canva design, or even a separate Canva design, where you keep all your commonly used assets. Think of it like a digital scrapbook or a mood board for your video project. Having all your key elements in one place can save you a tremendous amount of time searching for them later. When you start building your video in Canva, each distinct scene or segment of your script can be created on a new page within your Canva video project. This modular approach is highly intuitive and allows you to focus on perfecting one part of your video at a time before moving on to the next. Section 7. The perfect hook designing an irresistible video intro. The first few seconds of your video are absolutely critical. In today's fast-paced digital world, viewers have very short attention spans. You need to grab their attention immediately and give them a compelling reason to keep watching. A powerful introduction, often called a hook, can make all the difference between a viewer staying for your entire video or clicking away to something else. Your intro sets the tone for your content and should clearly signal what the video is about and why it's worth their time. To create a captivating intro for your Faceless video, consider using cinematic clips. Canva itself has a vast library of stock video footage, many of which are available on the free plan. You can search for clips that match the theme or mood of your video. Sound effects are another powerful tool for making your intro more engaging. Canva has its own audio library where you can find various sound effects. Finally, incorporate animations to bring your intro to life. Canva offers a wide range of animation options for text, images, and other elements. A well-crafted intro is an investment that pays off in viewer retention. Section 8. Adding sparkle creative animations and transitions in Canva. Once your intro has hooked the viewer, you need to maintain their engagement throughout the video. This is where creative use of Canva's features like animations, transitions, and even the draw tool can really make your Faceless videos stand out. Explore Canva's extensive animation library. You can animate almost any element on your page, including text boxes, images, graphics, and shapes. Consider using animations to reveal information sequentially or to draw attention to important details. Transitions are used to move smoothly from one scene or page in Canva to the next. Canva offers a variety of transitions, such as dissolve, slide, wipe, and more complex ones like color wipe or circle wipe. A less commonly used but highly effective feature in Canva is the draw tool. Experiment with different pen styles, colors, and thicknesses to see how you can creatively incorporate drawings to highlight information or add a bit of personality. Section 9. Sound on mastering audio design for impact. We've talked about voiceovers, but the overall sound design of your video is equally important. Sound is truly half the viewing experience. High-quality, well-mixed audio can keep your audience deeply engaged, while poor audio can make them click away almost instantly, regardless of how good your visuals are. Canva's built-in audio library is a fantastic resource for finding music for your videos. Beyond background music, consider adding sound effects to add polish and impact. Small sounds can make a big difference. Finally, one of the most crucial aspects of sound design is balancing your audio levels. Always listen back to your video with headphones to check the mix and ensure everything sounds balanced and professional before you publish it. Section 10. Case Study. A Canva-Made Journey to Ancient Egypt. Let's bring all these techniques together and imagine creating a complete documentary-style faceless video using only Canva and the free tools we've discussed. Our chosen topic is the fascinating world of ancient Egypt. This subject is rich with visuals and stories, making it perfect for a faceless video format. We aim to create something that is not only informative, but also highly engaging and professional looking, proving that you don't need a Hollywood budget to produce compelling content. First, the script. We would use ChatGPT to generate an engaging narrative. For the voiceover itself, we'd turn to a tool like 11 Labs, selecting a deep, authoritative, and slightly mysterious voice that suits the historical theme. Next, the visuals. The end result would be a captivating documentary-style faceless video about ancient Egypt, created entirely for free using Canva, demonstrating the incredible power and accessibility of these tools for any aspiring content creator.